friends, welcome to 113 Elm Street here in Chelmsford. This property is located right on the Chelmsford-Carlisle line with abundance of spectacular trails over at the cranberry bogs. Another great feature about this house is it sits on an acre lot, of which half of the acre is a beautiful flat lot for the backyard. Fabulous. And another really sneaky feature is we have an enormous 3-car heated garage, 9-foot ceilings. It's perfect for a hobbyist, for a mechanic, for boat storage, whatever you feel like. So enjoy the tour. Hey friends, hope you enjoyed the tour. Mary Beth Wilson here with J. Wilson Sells Homes with Kell Williams, Boston Northwest. If you want any additional information, please reach out and give us a call, 978-590-1425. Thank you.